Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Reinstalling Microsoft Outlook can fix many software glitches and performance issues. You must first remove the current version from your computer before downloading it again. Start by clicking the Start button and opening the Settings app on your Windows PC. Select the Apps category and then click on Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find Microsoft 365 or the specific version of Office you own. Click the three dots next to the app name and choose the Uninstall option. Follow the prompts to remove the software completely from your system. Once the process finishes, restart your computer to ensure all temporary files are gone. Now you are ready to reinstall the program. Open your web browser and navigate to office.com. Sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your subscription. Look for the Install Apps button on the top right side of the home page. Click it and select Microsoft 365 Apps to begin the download. Open the setup file from your Downloads folder once it finishes. The installer will now download and install the entire Office suite, including Outlook. This process might take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Stay connected to the internet until the installer says you are all set. After the installation is complete, find Outlook in your Start menu and open it. Sign in with your email address and password to sync your messages. Your folders and contacts should appear automatically because they are stored on the server. This fresh installation will ensure your email client runs smoothly without any further errors or bugs.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.